G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's easiest keto pancakes. Just 2 ingredients and you're done. They're so simple yet so delicious. So join me today as I make my version of a keto 2-ingredient cream cheese pancakes. Okay, so as I said from the start, you only need 2 simple ingredients. The first one being cream cheese. So I'm going to add 4 ounces or about 110 grams of softened cream cheese. And we're going to follow that up with 4 eggs. And that's it. It is that simple. Now if you choose, you can add a bit of vanilla extract. It's completely optional. I'm choosing not to at the moment, simply because I'm just going to use some sugar-free topping once they're done. And all you have to do basically is just whip it up with a hand or stand mixer until it's all nicely combined. And while it's mixing, you'll be thinking that, well, that's a lot of eggs, so it's just going to taste like an omelette. Honestly, when you mix it with the cream cheese, you can't taste the egg at all. And especially when you add a nice sugar-free topping, you truly can't taste the egg at all. It is that versatile. So just whip it up until it's completely combined. And just make sure there's no lumps left. That's why it's incredibly important to use softened cream cheese, because if it's hard, well, you're going to have a lot of lumps in the mix. So just let it sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, it is now nice and smooth. Okay, so I've got a fry pan on a medium to high heat. So once the pan's completely warmed up, just simply pour on our hotcakes. And we want to do, say, 1 at a time. Now, we'll be a bit runny, which is why you only want to do 1 at a time. So we want to cook it on this side for about 2 minutes. Once it's completely dry on the outside, just simply flip it over. Okay, as you can see, it is dried on the outside. So all you have to do is just simply get a spatula under there and flip it over. And how delicious does that pancake look? So we're going to cook it on this side for a further 1 minute, then just continue on until you've made up all your pancakes. Now look at those delicious pancakes. Just 2 simple ingredients, very healthy, very simple. Now nobody has just plain pancakes, they can add some butter to it. Personally, I'm also going to use some sugar-free maple syrup. I love drizzling maple syrup, even maple syrup substitute like this one, over my pancakes. Now because this is so healthy, I just won't be able to help myself in giving this a try. You can never have enough syrup, especially when it's sugar-free. Oh, that's delicious. That really is delicious. Now it's definitely not as fluffy as regular pancakes. It's actually got like a slight creamy texture to it. But honestly, it's fantastic. This is definitely a recipe you're gonna have more than once. And it's almost guilt-free too, compared to regular pancakes. So you can choose any topping that you like. Try and keep it sugar-free if you can. But no matter what type of topping you use, either way, it's going to taste simply delish.